Hi, Ava and Angela here with SplitterSplatPreKCoop, and in this video we're going to show you how to make your monster mouth for your monster mouth game. So the first thing that you're going to need is this little printable. It's just a little blank monster printable, okay? And so it's designed that you can add a name at the bottom, so you can see some of our examples. There's Flappy there with his little tongue like a frog. You've got Poppy here. You got Buzzboo, right? Mm-hmm. So we're naming our monsters. We're adding all sorts of little, you can change the shape of the teeth or the style. You can add a tongue, little claws. What else have you added over here, Ava?
Well, you can do antennas, a tail, hair, I don't know, anything you want.
Anything you want. So we have a bunch of examples here. And so we like to make them nice and colorful, name them. You can also put them inside of one of these clear plastic things so that it lasts a little bit longer. You can print them out on cardstock. Another thing is if you do put them in the clear plastic, if you put a blank one in here and you have dry erase markers, that's also a fun way to do it and be able to reuse your monster mouth and change it up every time. So that's one way to do it as well. Also, there's ways to get creative with these mouths here. So we've taken these and put them on top, printed them out on cardstock, cut out all or part of the mouth and put them on top of, say, a box, right? Attached it to a box so that you can actually drop snacks into their mouth. So there's, again, lots of different ways to utilize these, but here are just some of our fun examples that we've done this morning and in the past. Okay, so that's the first thing you're going to want to do. The next thing, Ava, can you grab these right here and tell us what these are?
Okay, these are what you're going to draw your snacks on.
Oh, okay. So notice they're a bunch of different shapes, okay? And so what are we going to do with our snacks?
Well, you can color them. You can do bread, pepperonis, and you can do letters, I don't know, numbers, shapes, sizes, or anything.
That's right. Letters, numbers, shapes, colors, right? So you see here we've been playing around with, here's some letters. Again, just the shapes are fun. And then even look, a P for pizza, like Ava mentioned, or P for pepperoni. It's a fun way to, play around with numbers, letters, colors, and shapes. So that's right. So once you make your monster snacks and you have designed your monster, named it, then you are ready to play your Monster Mouth game. And that will be the next video.